Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Watermelon is one of the fruits to keep the body cool in summer. Watermelon has various benefits. This results in about 92% water. So eating watermelon easily quenches the thirst of water. Certain types of amino acids in watermelon help maintain normal blood flow by producing nitric oxide. High blood pressure is normal. Watermelon is rich in vitamin A. It is also high in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene keeps the eyes healthy. Eating 2 cups of watermelon every day fulfills the requirement of vitamin A in the body. Eating watermelon keeps the skin bright and healthy. Because vitamin A protects the skin from infection. Watermelon vitamin B6, vitamin B1 helps to produce energy in the body. Air vitamin C helps in collagen formation. Eating 2 cups of watermelon every day provides 30 milligrams of vitamin C in the body. Watermelon also contains potassium, which keeps high blood pressure under control. It also reduces the risk of kidney stones. Potassium helps maintain the balance between fluids and minerals in the body. 2 cups of watermelon contains 350 milligrams of potassium. Watermelon contains sodium in small amounts. Cauliflower is a nutrient-rich vegetable. Scientists have found anti-cancer substances on the surface of its leaves. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine in Baltimore found chemicals called isothiocyanates in cauliflower leaves. Scientists have found that eating about 2 pounds of cauliflower and other vegetables a week can cut the risk of colon cancer in half. Scientists have also reported that eating a little more than 1 ounce of cauliflower leaves per week can cut the risk of cancer in half. Another study showed that the application of isothiocyanates extract collected from the young leaves of cauliflower reduced the size and number of breast tumors, which were at risk of developing into cancer. 2 cauliflower leaves are rich in vitamin A, calcium, dietary energy and iron.